Hello everyone and very warm good morning to all of you. In the last lecture, we already discussed about salts and types of salts. Today in this lecture, I am going to teach you a new topic, terminology of complex compound. So heading is terminology of complex. So in complex compound, we are taking an example like famous example is K4 FeCN6. In complex, how many terms are here? See, first term is ionization sphere. Ionization sphere, which means on dissolving in water, this part ionize, so it is called ionization sphere. Second is coordination sphere. Second is coordination sphere. Coordination sphere means those sphere which do not lose their identity on dissolving in water. Means on dissolving in water, this part of the complex remains same, means it can't be break into Fe and Cn. So this is called coordination sphere. In coordination sphere, three terms already given. First term, metal. Metal is called central metal. Central metal. And central metal attached with ligands. Central atom always attached with ligands. In coordination complex, ligands having tendency to donate electron. So ligands donate lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. And central metal accept lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electrons. Or central metal provide d orbital for ligands. So that compound which donate lone pair of electrons called Lewis base. So ligands act as Lewis base, and those compound which accept lone pair electron called Lewis acid according to Lewis concept. So this is called Lewis acid. And third term is number. Number is 6. So this number is called coordination number. It's called coordination number. Actually, coordination number means how many ligands attached with central metal. So there are 6 ligands attached with central atom. Then the coordination number is equal to 6. Is it clear? So this is called terminology of complex sphere. I am repeating again. There are two sphere. First is ionization sphere, second is coordination sphere. Ionization sphere means that sphere which ionize on dissolving in water, and coordination sphere means do not dissolve in water on dissolving in water. There are 3 terms. First is central metal, second is ligand, and third is coordination number. Central atom accept lone pair of electron from the ligands. So this side act as Lewis acid, and the ligands donate lone pair of electron, then they called Lewis base, and the number is called coordination number. The number means how many ligands attached with central metal is called coordination number. Is it clear? And the next topic is classification of complex compound. Complex compound. Complex compound can be divided into category. First is homoleptic complex, and second is heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex. So we will discuss about both terms, homoleptic and heteroleptic. First term is homoleptic complex. Homo means same. Word homo means same. So those compound या those coordination compound which contain only one type of ligands are called homoleptic complex. Means those compounds or complex which contain only one type of ligand, only one type of ligands are called homoleptic complex. For example, K4 FeCN6. So in this example, ligands are CN. CN means only one type of ligands present in this compound. Second, Cu NS3 whole 4 and SO4. So in coordination sphere, only one type of ligands means NS3 will present. So these two are the example of homoleptic complex. Second is heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex means those complex which contain more than one type of ligands. So those complex which contains more than one type of ligands are called heteroleptic ligands. For example, Cu NS3 whole 4 Cl2 and Br2. Is it clear? So in this compound, this is a coordination sphere. In coordination number, two types of ligands are present. So this is an example of heteroleptic ligands. So heteroleptic complex means which contain more than one type of ligands. So ligands are those group of atom which directly attach to central metal. So there are two group attached with copper. First is ammonia and second is Cl. So it is an example of heteroleptic ligands. Okay, thank you so much.